Welcome back, AZ Classic Cars Cheap. On this channel, we discuss the most brutal, unique, and of course, Prostreet monsters ready to shake up the streets and drag strips. From big block blowers, wide stances, to extreme builds at reasonable prices, it's all here. If you love muscle cars, drag cars, and Prostreet builds, you're in the right place. One 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 509 CI. Price $58,500. Located Duluth, Georgia. The 1968 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 509 CI is a striking example of American muscle car heritage, blending raw performance with bold styling. Originally introduced as the SS 396 Sport Coupe, this particular Chevelle has been upgraded with a powerful 509 CI Merlin V8 engine, delivering immense horsepower and torque that far surpasses its factory specifications. Paired with a TH400 3-speed automatic transmission, the car offers smooth yet aggressive acceleration, making it a thrill to drive. Modern enhancements such as Holley Sniper electronic fuel injection, MSD ignition, and an aluminum radiator with electric fans ensure reliability and efficiency, while dual exhaust with MagnaFlow mufflers provides a deep, commanding sound. The exterior is finished in Inferno orange with black lower stripes, complemented by SS 396 badging, a cowl hood, and Butnick alloy wheels measuring 19 in the front and 20 in the rear. Hojiki suspension components and drilled, slotted disc brakes enhance handling and stopping power, giving the Chevelle a confident stance on the road. Inside, bucket seats and a center console provide comfort, while a hidden Alpine stereo adds modern convenience without compromising the classic look. With only 1,500 miles driven since its upgrades, this Chevelle remains in excellent condition, combining vintage appeal with contemporary performance. It is a clean title vehicle ready for enthusiasts who appreciate both originality and tasteful modifications. The 1968 Chevelle SS 509 CI stands as a testament to the enduring legacy of Chevrolet's muscle car era, offering a blend of nostalgia and modern engineering that continues to captivate collectors and drivers alike. 2. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Price $1,900. Located Ashland City, Tennessee. The 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle SS is a classic muscle car that continues to capture the imagination of enthusiasts with its bold styling and powerful performance. This particular example has undergone extensive work, with receipts available to document the upgrades and restorations performed. Under the hood, it features a fully rebuilt 6.0 LS engine, offering modern reliability and impressive horsepower compared to its original factory specifications. The automatic transmission ensures smooth shifting, making it suitable for both spirited driving and everyday cruising. Externally, the Chevelle SS presents a commanding presence with its black exterior finish, a color that highlights its muscular lines and aggressive stance. The interior, also finished in black, complements the exterior and provides a driver-focused environment. With 75,000 miles driven, this Chevelle demonstrates durability, while still maintaining its appeal as a collectible. The car has paid off and is ready for its next owner, offering peace of mind and immediate enjoyment. Collectors and enthusiasts value the 1969 Chevelle SS for its role in the golden age of muscle cars, representing Chevrolet's commitment to performance and style. This model is not only a piece of automotive history, but also a platform for further customization or preservation. Whether admired at car shows or enjoyed on the open road, the 1969 Chevelle SS remains a timeless symbol of American automotive culture. 3. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu. Price $42,500. Located Newburgh, Indiana. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu is a well-preserved classic that blends vintage charm with upgraded performance. Powered by a professionally built 400 cubic inch engine paired with a TH400 transmission, this Chevelle delivers strong acceleration and dependable performance. Enhancements such as roller rockers, a mother thumper cam, Holley carburetor, Edelbrock intake, and ceramic-coated headers ensure that the car runs with both power and efficiency. The exterior is finished in a rich burgundy color, rated 8 out of 10 in condition, with no rust or bubbles, highlighting the car's solid body and original floor pans. Inside, the black interior features bucket seats and a center console, along with a new SS dash equipped with a Bluetooth stereo system, combining classic design with modern convenience. The suspension and braking systems have been upgraded, including front disc brakes and rear drums, ensuring confident handling. Riding on 1820 Riddler wheels with new tires, the Chevelle Malibu has a bold stance that commands attention. With 5,000 miles driven since its rebuild, it remains in very good condition, ready for both display and driving enjoyment. Collectors appreciate the 1970 Chevelle Malibu for its versatility, offering a balance of originality and tasteful upgrades. This car represents Chevrolet's dedication to performance and style during the muscle car era, making it a valuable addition to any collection. 4. 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Tribute. Price, $1,700. Located, Oak Grove, Kentucky. The 1971 Chevrolet Chevelle SS Tribute is a project car with immense potential, offering enthusiasts the opportunity to complete and customize a classic muscle car to their liking. Finished in red with a black interior, this tribute model captures the spirit of the original SS, while providing a solid foundation for restoration. The frame has been painted and remains in excellent condition, while the floorboards and trunk are solid and primed. Some bodywork has been completed, though areas such as the driver's rear fender and front fender require attention. The car comes with a 454 engine, though the block has a crack and will need machining, along with a TH400 transmission and numerous additional parts: heads, intake, starter, and water pump. Suspension upgrades include new shocks and front suspension components, ensuring improved handling once completed. With 27,521 miles indicated on the gauge cluster, the car shows moderate use, but remains structurally sound. This Chevelle SS Tribute is ideal for enthusiasts who enjoy hands-on restoration projects, offering both originality and flexibility in customization. Once completed, it has the potential to become a striking representation of Chevrolet's muscle car legacy. At its current price, it presents an accessible entry point into classic car ownership, appealing to collectors and hobbyists alike. 5. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Price, $6,500. Located, Evansville, Indiana. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS is considered one of the most desirable muscle cars of its era, and this fully restored example highlights why it remains so iconic. Powered by a 396 cubic inch V8 engine with only 296 miles since its rebuild, the car delivers exhilarating performance while maintaining reliability. The restoration process has been comprehensive, covering every aspect from the body to the drivetrain, ensuring that the vehicle feels brand new despite its vintage origins. The Chevelle SS is admired for its aggressive styling, featuring a bold front grille, muscular body lines, and distinctive SS badging that instantly identifies it as a performance model. Inside, the cabin offers a blend of comfort and sportiness, with bucket seats, a center console, and a driver-focused dashboard. The meticulous restoration ensures that all components function as intended, from gauges to trim details. Collectors value the 1970 Chevelle SS not only for its performance, but also for its cultural significance, representing the peak of Chevrolet's muscle car dominance. This particular example, with its fresh rebuild and attention to detail, stands out as a show-quality vehicle, ready for display or spirited driving. Its combination of originality, craftsmanship, and raw power makes it a centerpiece in any classic car collection. 6. 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price, $45,500. Located, Greenville, Kentucky. The 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle is a striking classic that blends vintage appeal with modern upgrades. This cloned SS model is powered by a 454 big block engine equipped with fuel injection, delivering strong performance and reliability. Paired with a 700R automatic transmission, the car offers smooth shifting and enhanced drivability. The exterior is finished in bright yellow with a black vinyl top, creating a bold contrast that emphasizes its muscular lines. Inside, the black interior has been refreshed, with seats recovered in the original pattern to maintain authenticity. Modern touches include a new digital radio and speakers, ensuring entertainment while preserving the classic atmosphere. With only 2,000 miles driven, the car remains in excellent condition, free from significant damage or problems. Collectors appreciate the 1972 Chevelle for its balance of originality and tasteful upgrades, making it both a showpiece and a driver's car. This example demonstrates Chevrolet's enduring legacy in the muscle car era, offering enthusiasts a chance to own a piece of history that is both powerful and stylish. 7. 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 Tribute. Price: $35,900. Located Nashville, Illinois. The 1966 Chevrolet Chevelle SS 396 Tribute is a well-maintained classic that captures the essence of Chevrolet's muscle car heritage. Powered by a strong-running big block engine paired with an automatic transmission, this Chevelle delivers impressive performance. Features such as power steering and power disc brakes enhance drivability, while rally wheels and dual exhaust with headers provide both style and sound. The exterior is finished in red, complemented by SS badging and a muscular stance that commands attention. Inside, the bench seat interior is clean and functional, with added gauges and a tachometer to monitor performance. The body and paint are driver quality, with solid floors and quarters, while the trunk floor has been patched to maintain integrity. With 6,099 miles driven, the car remains in good condition, offering reliability and enjoyment for its next owner. Collectors value tribute models like this for their affordability and accessibility, providing the look and feel of the original SS without the premium price tag. This Chevelle SS 396 Tribute is priced to sell, making it an attractive option for enthusiasts seeking a classic muscle car experience. 8. 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Prostreet. Price: $47,500. Located Prairie Home, Missouri. The 1969 Chevrolet Chevelle Malibu Prostreet is a heavily modified classic, designed for performance enthusiasts who appreciate both style and speed. Under the hood, it features a 355 small block motor with a Comp 270 cam, air gap intake, and Holley 650 carburetor, delivering robust power. The Turbo 350 transmission with ATI shift kit and B&M whole shot converter ensures aggressive acceleration, while Ford 9-inch rear end with Richmond gears and Moser axles provides durability. The car's suspension has been extensively upgraded with S&W components, including a 4-link setup, cage, and dual adjustable shocks, making it suitable for drag racing or street performance. Externally, the Chevelle boasts a green finish with SS badging, complemented by weld wheels and Mickey Thompson tires that emphasize its Prostreet stance. Inside, a digital gauge cluster provides modern functionality, while the overall design retains its classic appeal. With 88,700 miles driven, the car remains in very good condition, free from rust or significant damage. This Chevelle Malibu Prostreet represents a significant investment in performance modifications, making it a standout among muscle car enthusiasts. It offers a thrilling driving experience, while preserving the iconic look of the 1969 Chevelle. 9. 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Price: $19,900. Located Cynthiana, Kentucky. The 1965 Chevrolet Chevelle SS is a classic muscle car that embodies the spirit of mid-1960s American performance vehicles. This particular example is presented in excellent condition, described as used, like new, and offers enthusiasts a chance to own a piece of history at an accessible price point. Powered by a 350 automatic engine, The car delivers reliable performance and smooth driving, making it suitable for both collectors and everyday use. The body is solid with clean title documentation, ensuring peace of mind for its next owner. The seller emphasizes that the car is priced to sell quickly, reflecting both its condition and desirability. The Chevrolet SS is admired for its balanced proportions, muscular stance, and timeless styling, which continue to captivate enthusiasts decades after its release. Inside, the cabin offers comfort and practicality, while the exterior showcases the bold lines that defined Chevrolet's design language during this era. Collectors value the 1965 Chevrolet SS not only for its performance, but also for its role in shaping the muscle car movement. This example represents an opportunity to acquire a well-maintained classic that can be enjoyed immediately or further customized to suit personal preferences. With its combination of originality, affordability, and enduring appeal, the 1965 Chevrolet SS remains a standout choice for enthusiasts seeking a vintage muscle car experience. 10. 1970 Chevrolet SS. Price, $5,000. Located, Battle Creek, Michigan. The 1970 Chevrolet SS is one of the most iconic muscle cars ever produced, and this example highlights why it continues to be celebrated among enthusiasts. Featuring a big block engine, the car delivers immense power and performance, embodying the raw energy of the muscle car era. The exterior is finished in blue, with a body free from rust or scratches, ensuring that it maintains its striking appearance. Inside, the interior is in excellent condition, offering both comfort and authenticity. Mechanical highlights include a 12-bolt rear end and a reverse manual valve body transmission, enhancing durability and driving dynamics. With 23,000 miles driven, the car remains in strong condition, reflecting careful maintenance and preservation. The seller notes that suspension upgrades are planned, including UMI components, which will further enhance handling and performance if not sold beforehand. Collectors value the 1970 Chevrolet SS for its aggressive styling, powerful drivetrain, and cultural significance, representing the peak of Chevrolet's muscle car dominance. This example offers a blend of originality and potential for further customization, making it a versatile addition to any collection. Whether displayed at shows or enjoyed on the open road, the 1970 Chevrolet SS remains a timeless symbol of American automotive excellence. 11. 1965 Chevrolet SS. Price, $1,500. Located, Bryant, Alabama. The 1965 Chevrolet SS is a true classic, offering enthusiasts a solid foundation for restoration or immediate enjoyment. This particular example is a Malibu SS with a 138 VIN, confirming its authenticity. Powered by a 355 small block engine with dart heads, dart intake, comp cam, roller rockers, and a Holley 650 carburetor, the car delivers strong performance. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, it provides an engaging driving experience that appeals to purists. The exterior is finished in orange, complemented by American racing mag wheels that enhance its sporty stance. The body is solid, with only minor rust spots that do not compromise its overall integrity. Inside, the black interior features a new headliner and rear shocks, with all trim and SS badges included. With 65,000 miles driven, the car demonstrates durability, while remaining a viable candidate for further restoration. Collectors appreciate the 1965 Chevrolet SS for its role in the early muscle car movement, offering a blend of style, performance, and affordability. This example is priced competitively, making it an attractive option for enthusiasts seeking a classic that runs and drives, while still offering room for customization. The 1965 Chevrolet SS stands as a testament to Chevrolet's legacy, embodying the excitement and innovation of the muscle car era.